Hello, this is Nancy from Eastern Hotel Supplies. We are located in Guangzhou, China. We supply the OS and E guest room for more than 10 years. Today, I will show you our warehouse. Now, the first product we will introduce the wholesale one, the e-learning board here. Now I will show you this. This is our Stream Hero, the whole on sale products. You will see this. Now I pick up one small box to show you. Here you can see each of our product have a small box to package. You can see here like this.